Hello friends, today we are going to see the demo of three-phase dry run overload panel. So first of all, this panel is used for agriculture purpose and industrial purpose. So this is the panel we have. So we have a on button and off button. So inside we have a three-phase microcontroller based dry run preventer with a cyclic timer. This is the unit we have for agriculture industrial purpose to run the three-phase submersible induction motor, and we have a BCH conductor for on purpose. So today this is the the demo is main for what are the settings we have and how the setting is made. So now I'm on the three-phase supply RYB. So first it is checked the normal phase sequence. If the normal phase sequence is correct, then only the kit go to the value. So we have a voltage 398. This is the voltage rating, and this is the current rating we have. So in that we have a automatic option is there and manual option is also there. So inside in this kit we have a 4 keys. The first one is enter, and second one is move, and third one is increment, and third one is decrement. So now I'm going to the menu option for easy accessible of this unit. So I long press this button, I go to the menu option. So the first option we have is auto mode set. So auto mode set means it is an automatic option. The option consists of two methods. The first one is cyclic timer and second one is water level controller. This is the value. If I enter this one, I go to the status called cyclic, and it goes into the 1.1 called cyclic on time. So we have a hours and minutes format. So we can increment and decrement by using this key. So and we have a move option. Now I am setting a 1 minute. If I want to change it to minute, so please use this move key, and we can increment and decrement option is there. So this is the option on time, and next option is 1.2 called cyclic off time. So this is the option called cyclic. This actually cyclic timer is nothing but of the 1 minute, 1 hour on and 2 hour on option is available, which is purposely used for agriculture and industrial purpose. So next option is called on delay timer. The on delay timer is nothing but of after the power shut off, the motor is in off conditions. So when the power comes, it takes some delay. So this is the called on delay timer. So on delay timer is nothing but of the delay which is given to the motor to get on. So next option is current setting. This is a very important setting in this unit. We have two options there, minimum and maximum current. So minimum current is nothing but of a dry run option, and maximum current is called overload option. So the dry run is nothing but of in the particularly called submersible pump set, we have a water level is in the ground level is getting low, that is called dry run timer. So we have a option called 3 phase amps minimum current. So now I am setting a 3 amps for minimum current, and if I want to change, we are using increment decrement key. We can use 4 amps or 5 amps, whatever you want. And next option is maximum current. This is the maximum current is for overload. If the motor gets overloaded, it will be trip off when the current exceeds 7 amps. This is the main important option in this unit. And the next option is voltage. So in voltage is same like as the current, we have a minimum voltage and maximum voltage is available. So next we have a dry run timer. So dry run timer is nothing but of the dry run timer is activated only the dry run is happens, and we have I am setting 0. So next, starting capacity. This is the unit is particularly used for DOL starters and star delta starters. So we can use both for both type of connections. We have used the same kit. So again 0 settings is made, and the 7th option is dead phase voltage. The dead phase voltage is nothing but of when there is any sudden spike in the area or industrial or in 3-phase transmission line, it will protect the motor. And the next option is show data. The show data is nothing but of the previously we done settings like current and voltage. It gives the value. Like see I'm setting a cyclic on time and off time, and the third option is on delay timer is there, and 3-phase minimum maximum, and fifth option is voltage option. This is give automatic it gives viewer to know the what are the settings is made. And the last option is clear all data. So if the data is wrong, you can clear it, and again you can re-enter the value. So this is the settings in this unit, and we have a 396, 396, 398. This is the voltage value, and 0.0 is for current value. Because the motor is in off condition, it shows the value of 0.00. The M represents for manual. So here we have a toggle switch. This is the toggle switch for manual option and automatic option is there. So if I put an automatic option, because I am setting the cyclic, so it is represented as C, and the motor gets turned on. We have a motor here. The motor gets turned on. It's turned on, and the current will be 4.4. So it is a normal running condition, because we made a minimum current as 3 and maximum current as 7. So in between we have a 4.5. So it's a normal condition is happened. So, and also I made a cyclic timer is 1 minute on and 1 minute off. Already we set 2 minutes off. 2 minutes off is already setting, so that the motor gets turned on for 1 minute and turn off for 2 minutes. So after 1 minute it's automatically turned off, and the reading will be 0.00. And we have a current sensor is there, which is used for minimum and maximum current, is specifically used for a dry run and overload option. So this is the unit, it's a fully production of the motor. So it's sold 4.4, and the voltage will be varied from 398, 396 or 398. So the values are getting changed in real time monitoring. So it's a very useful for agriculture farmers, so they are easily visualize the voltage and the current parameters. So actually the on time set is 2 minutes, so that your motor gets turned on for 2 minutes and off in 1 minute. So that your motor gets turned off. So right after that cyclic period, again your motor gets turned on. Right. So this is the option we have. It's a full safety. If you need a manual option, you just put into the manual, so that your motor comes into the manual operation. So you can on and off by using this push button, right? So this is the overall video of demonstrate of 3-phase dry run overload panel. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe this video and have a nice day.